This small thing. Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So guys, before we unbox this small package you are seeing here, first of all, I want to ask you guys who are doing importation and bringing goods through air shipping, how you guys are doing it, because air shipping is so expensive. I can't believe that I paid 12,479 naira for this small package. You know, when I started importation in the year 2020, 1 kg, because this package is 1 kg. 1 kg used to be like I think 2,000 naira. From 2,000 naira it graduated to 2,500. From 2,500 to 3,500. It kept, increasing and increasing. And I remember this year 1 kg was 6,000 naira. Right now, like it kept increasing till we are here. I can't believe we are paying 12,000 plus for ordinary 1 kg general goods, normal goods, not special goods. Like, how are we going to be selling our products? Like, I don't understand. How are we going to continue business in this kind of economy? The economy is not smiling on us at all. How can $1 be 1,200 naira? It's just tiring. Anyway, that being said, let us unbox this small package. I ordered it from Pinduoduo. So this is my first Pinduoduo unboxing. Yes, this is my first Pinduoduo unboxing. I ordered a lot of things from Pinduoduo actually, but I did sea shipping because sea shipping is the best. I don't think I will ever do air shipping again. No way, I can't. So I bought a lot of things from Pinduoduo, but I did sea shipping. So those ones will arrive by next year. Let's say maybe January ending or February. So when those ones arrive, I'm also going to do the unboxing here. So guys, this is what is inside this 1 kg that I paid 12,400 and I think 479 naira for. This small thing. Okay, I want to start with this one because this one is French coils. So I hope it's what I ordered that I got. Else I will cry. I hope it's what I ordered that I got. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is what I'm expecting. I'm going to display the picture. Oh my god. It does not have coils. This is not what I was expecting. It does not have enough coils as expected at all. No. I will not lie. I'm not sure. This is exactly what I was expecting. No way. No coils. Jeez. Oh my god. I'm not happy about this at all. It looks like normal attachments, right? It looks like normal attachment. This is not the French coils I was expecting. China, oh, you do this one, oh. This is a gift to my auntie. This is a gift. It's hand gloves. It looks so small. It looks small. It's hand gloves. What was inside here? Okay, this is the cord I ordered. Type C cord that I ordered. Let's see what covers here. Okay, these ones are from my daughter. It's to pack hair. Let me even use one and see. It's for packing hair like this. Something like this. So guys, this is the only thing I have to unbox today. Unboxing is over. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, kindly click on the subscribe button and join the family. See you in my next video. Bye bye.